In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Microsoft Dynamics 365. If you're looking to organize your data and gain insights at a glance, building a customized dashboard is a great way to do just that. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open the Dynamics 365 application that you're working with. This could be something like the Sales Hub, but the process is generally the same across different apps within Dynamics 365. Once you've got your app open, navigate to the left-hand pane where you'll see a list of options. Scroll through to find Dashboard and go ahead and click on it. This section is where you'll manage all your dashboards, providing a focal point for your data visualization needs. With the dashboard area open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here you'll see a button labeled New. Clicking this button will initiate the process of creating a brand new dashboard for your data. When prompted, you'll want to select the Dynamics 365 dashboard option. Choosing this allows you to harness the full power of Dynamics 365's dashboard capabilities right from the start. Next, it's time to choose a layout for your dashboard. Dynamics 365 offers several layout options such as a 2-column regular format, or more complex configurations like a 3-column or a 4-column layout with wide and narrow sections. The layout determines how your charts, lists, and other components will be arranged, so consider the type and amount of data you need to display when making your choice. Once you've selected a layout that suits your needs, go ahead and click Create. This simple action takes you one step closer to having a fully tailored dashboard at your fingertips. Now that you have a blank dashboard canvas, it's time to give your dashboard a name. Naming your dashboard is crucial as it helps you and others identify its purpose and content more easily within the platform. The next step is to add components such as charts, lists, or even web resources to your dashboard. You can tailor the components to provide the most critical data insights and analytics you wish to monitor. This is where your dashboard really starts to take shape and become uniquely yours. After carefully arranging and configuring your components, take a moment to review the layout. Make sure everything is displaying properly and meets your expectations. Once you're happy with how everything looks and feels, don't forget to save your work by clicking the Save button. This final step ensures that all your settings are stored and your dashboard is ready for use. And there you have it. You've created a custom dashboard in Microsoft Dynamics 365 that can help you streamline data insights and enhance productivity. Thanks for joining me today, and happy dashboard building.